What up, guys? It's your boy Yaro. Back to YouTube shit. Back to buying cars for my car. What? Back to buying parts for my car. But right now I'm going to Charlotte like always again, get parts because they ain't got shit in South Carolina. But I'm about to go get some KBD bumper, side skirt, and rear bumper. Yeah. Follow me, guys. Follow me on Instagram. Yaro. It's Yaro_3. And subscribe too, man. I'm spending all my money check to check buying parts for the cars. But I'm doing it for YouTube. I'm doing it for y'all. So follow, subscribe, man. You know what it is. So I just pulled over to the gas station. I looked at my back tires and I see that it's all the way minimum tread all the way to the damn metal, bro. On both of them in the back. So I'm like, fuck, should I go or not? I'm guessing y'all already know. We still going to Charlotte. But I'm driving behind a truck going 60 miles an hour because I don't want to get a blowout or some shit and swerve off. So yeah, that's tough. But I need that bumper, man, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just listen to music and pray nothing happens, man.
Nigga trying to creep and keep.
Alright, so I got the KBD bumper, side skirt, and the back bumper. And my tires are good, just filled up. We about to go back home now and put this bitch on. Yeah. Bruh, remember I told y'all I had a fucked up tires in the back? But that shit went out. I was going fucking 60, 70 miles an hour. And I almost fucking caught in a wreck, bro. God damn, I was in the middle lane over there. And I hear boop, 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 psh, psh. And I'm like, I'm fucking swerving through the whole fucking road. Oh my god, thank God I ain't crashing nobody. But I had that control, but god damn. Look at that. That shit fucked me up, god damn, bro. Whenever you going for long trips, get some good tires, man. Hey, y'all check this shit out. This is how I pulled my wheel off my car, right this. I ain't moved nothing. Look at this, god damn. Imagine that, bro. Even fuck up my rim right here a little, but I ain't worried, man. At least I pulled over the side safely and all. Oh my god. That's why I don't fucking like rednecks right there, revving that bullshit ass trucks. But yeah, man. Shit. And I'm like 10 minutes away from home too, man. That was some crazy shit. I was literally doing a swerving like this, man. Wow. Thank God, man. Thank you. Oh shoot. This thing peeled off too, man. That's how hard I've been swerving. This thing came off. Wow. Thank you. Wow. You know I could have been dead right now, man. I had a feeling this shit was gonna happen too, man, you know? Look at this. How? I've been swerving, and when I tell you I'm swerving, oh my god, 3 lanes swerving like this. Wow. I'm like a professional drifter or some shit. I don't know, bro. But look, man, I could have been dead easily. Ran into another wall. Man, I'm glad I'm safe, man. That's all that matters. And you know, this is the reason why I don't really got any friends either. I was doing my wheels right. I got fucking rednecks revving their engine at me. Got some assholes honking their horns. Nobody want to pull up and help, you know? See if I'm cool or not. Just fuck up front. I mean, look at that. But anyways, I got my shit done. I put my spare. I got that spare for a reason, cause I don't even know why I went, man. But if you had a weird feeling that something gonna happen, don't go there. Cause I had a weird feeling, and I got my spare wheel instead. But look at that. That happened. Wow, man. crazy shit. Literally, I just pulled out not even a minute, and my exit's right here. This is where I'm supposed to exit to go home. And I just swerved off. 3 lanes, imagine that. Good thing there was cars around, but good thing I didn't hit it, man. Lucky me. I'm thankful for life, bro. That's just crazy. I should pull up to the house. You know what I see? Best time of my life, man. I'm so lucky. Let me show you. Let me show you what I got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some federal. What do you? The front or the backs? 255. Oh yeah, these for the back right here. What's going on? I just woke up early in the morning, 7 o'clock. That's early to me. But I'm about to be doing putting on some KBD bumpers on and all that. And then heading out to work. So. Alright y'all, day 2 with the KBD bumpers and all that. I took the side skirt, the rear bumper, but I still got the front bumper to do. Let me show you how it works. Front bumper right there, boom. Side skirt's gone. Oh yeah. Whew. So I finally got the bumper off here, man. This shit is crazy. Look at all these bolts I had to take off. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. 2, 2. All these right here. And these back here. And they were all the way back in the corner. Finally got the fish off. Oh yeah. Shit looking sexy. But I'm gonna put it in the backyard. Ooh. I'll put this back in the backyard and probably do it. I got time. Alright, peace out, guys. Let me show y'all 2 around the car without the side skirts and the rear bumper. Oh yeah. God damn. Shit looking ugly, man. But yeah, that's it. Whenever I got time, I'm gonna put on the aftermarket KBD. Then I already got the new set of wheels in here. Opa. Federals. 25, 35, 18. I mean, 235, 35. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. About to go to work. Cold start right there. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all, so I gotta go back to work again, but I put one side on the KBD, and I tore this wheel off because I about to get it mounted. I work at a shop, but I don't do stretch rims. I don't know how that works, so I'm gonna just let my guy do it. Shit, let me show you how it looks. Yeah, it feels fine. It feels low for sure. Tomorrow's another bumper. I mean, side skirt. So at least I'm gonna have the wheels on. I'm probably going to party on Saturday, so I might not do it. Then. We got the SC looking sexy right now. Cleaned up the wheels, got new tires. Yes, sir. Put the shit on. I got the front bumper on. Oh yeah, side skirts on. Alright. Now it's time to put the back one. Probably put the back tomorrow. Yeah, we should be good right there. Gotta wash it off. Oh, nah, that shit's sitting hella low, man. Look at that. Oh, shit. 2 fingers right there. 4. Alright, y'all. A week later, it's nighttime already. I got lazy to record it, but I got the kit all the way on. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Got side skirts, and I got the little adapters for the Mercedes wheels. Got that shit on. The rear bumper. Oh yeah. I'm gonna record it tomorrow. I can't see shit through here. Boom. Got the kit on. Side skirts. Rear bumper. And I just got some adapters. These are Mercedes wheels. 112 by 5. Got the adapters, put them on. Shit's rubbing. Barely. It's all good. Yeah. Boom.